امبوش خطوية هجا أفريكا ما موضعك هي another organic compound we have to learn in chapter 10 section 2 we have esters. Esters are organic compound which containing the hydrocarbon chain, and in the within the chain we have carboxylic group. The difference between carboxylic acids and esters, they are alkyl group replaced to the hydrogen in the main structure formula of carboxylic acids. That means they have same group containing, but the location of the functional group is different. In esters, we have functional group is COO. We can write it as follows. But in the carboxylic acid, remember you have C double bond OH. There are no hydrogen here in esters. When we name the esters, we have two parts. In the right hand or left hand, we have alkyl group, and the other hand we have alkan also added to alkanoate to be alkanoate or alkyl-alkanoate. When we try to naming this compound, we have two parts. Here we have ethyl, and here we have ethane. We can say ethanoate. Its name will be ethyl ethanoate, but this compound will be ethyl methanoate. Why methanoate? Because we have one carbon atom in the chain. But when we try to naming this compound in the chapter review, we have this compound. Here we have methyl group, and here we have ethyl ethane. We can say that we have methyl ethanoate. This compound, we have methyl with methane, methyl methanoate, methyl methanoate, and this compound name will be ethyl propanoate, ethyl propanoate, and this compound will be ethyl pentanoate because we have 5 carbon atoms, ethyl pentanoate. Yes. And when we try to draw the structure of esters, first write the carboxylic group here for all structure. When you draw it, we have butyl 4 carbon atoms we have here in the right hand, and ethanoate 2 carbon atoms, 1 2. This is butyl ethanoate. Ethyl methanoate. Ethyl also we have 2 carbon atoms here, CH2 CH3. Methanoate 1 carbon atom, just write hydrogen here. Propanoate, we have also carboxylic group, propyl 3 carbon atoms we have. Propanoate also 3 carbon atoms, 1 2 3. This is propanoate. Methyl butanoate, we have methyl group in the right hand, and butanoate 4 carbon atoms, 1 2 3 and 4, methyl butanoate. Esters are compounds which responsible with the odor or flavor of some substances such as plants and fruits. Esters are common in plants and are responsible for some distinctive flavors and odors. For example, in your textbook, we have in page 271 the figure of banana and mousse containing cinnamaldehyde, or containing a ester which called isoamyl acetate. Isoamyl acetate is contained in ester of banana. The banana containing the isoamyl state, ester. Isoamyl ester. But we have another group, amine group, which comes from ammonia. We can say that amine is the derivative of ammonia. Ammonia, we have NH3. When we are replacing the alkyl group in the location of hydrogen in ammonia, we will get the amine. This is the amine, general formula of amine, and functional group is nitrogen. Nitrogen containing a pair of unshared electron. And when we try to name the amines, just name the alkyl group first. We have here methyl, and then amine, right? Amine, methyl amine. But this compound will be dimethyl, or we have methyl and ethyl group. We can say that ethyl, methyl, amine. According to English alphabetic, ethyl beginning or comes before methyl group. We have trimethyl amine here, trimethyl amine. من وقت تنيمت كي amines with alkyl group تعال كنا with want to بيجي its name بشتينجي to the name of amine بيجي. Well, very second, the question, we have some questions here in chapter review, page 51. This compound will be named as methylamine because we have just methyl group in this compound. And here we have diethylamine, and this compound will be ethyl-methylamine, ethyl-methylamine. And this compound will be trimethylamine, trimethylamine. And when we try to draw the structure of amine, we have nitrogen always here in this compounds, amines. And then write the alkyl group, butyl methylamine, butyl here, 4 carbon atoms. We have methyl amine. This compound diethyl methylamine. We have diethyl group here, 1, and methyl group here, diethyl methylamine. This compound ethylamine. Ethyl, we have ethyl group, 2 carbon atoms, and 2 hydrogen connected with nitrogen. Ethyl propylamine, ethyl group, we have 2 carbon atoms, propyl 3 carbon atoms, and here we have hydrogen. Therefore, we have 3 classification of amine. We have 3 types of amine. Binary amine, binary, containing 1 alkyl group. Secondary amine containing 2 alkyl group, and tertiary amine containing 3 alkyl group in amine. Maybe different, maybe same molecule. And the property of amine depends on the nitrogen in amine, which containing unpaired shell pair of electron. Therefore, it acts as weak bases in reactions. Remember that amines are weak bases always in the reactions. For example, we have this reaction. Generally, we have this reaction of amine. You can see that amine contain nitrogen when react with H2O, dissolve in H2O, accept the proton from H2O, producing positive ion with excess of OH. OH increase in this reaction. That means that ammonia is base. Which base? Weak base. Always will be weak base because slightly ionized in water. Another property of amine, we have amines such as patracotoxin or patracotoxin A. They are toxic. Why? Because when they be in our body, react with water, producing a positive ion compound, which placed in the channel in your nerves. We have channel of sodium and potassium or many ions. This compound producing a positive ion, but it's very big, bigger than the sodium or potassium ions, therefore making this channel open. That's mean this channel will be open always, and then death, or making many poisons in our body. We have another groups of amine called alkalides or alkaloids. Alkaloids, the class of organic compounds known as alkaloids, also contains or consists of amines. Alkalides or alkaloids are naturally occurring amine products of plants that have physiological or psychological effects on amines or animals. Examples of alkaloids included caffeine, nicotine, morphine, and quinine, heroin, cocaine. These products found in poisons, hemlock. Alkaloids tends to have complex chemical structure, as illustrated by the structure of morphine, but it's not for memorize, just for observation, not for, because its structure is very complex. In your textbook you have a very important table, page 274. You have a table above about the classes you learned. It's structure formula, a general formula, and functional group. Everything about these classes when you learn is in this. The table is very important. But we have now some questions in section review. We will try to solve the questions of section review to end this section. You have some questions in your textbook, section 9, to review. We will try to solve it together. We have section review. Page 274 in your textbook. Question 1. We have some organic compound. We will try to find its general formula and its classes. We have some compounds here. A general formula. And its class. The first one we have this compound. The second one we have this compound. C. We have this compound. D. And last one we have this compound. When we try to identify the class or general formula for this compound, first you must find the functional group. The functional group in this compound is carboxylic. In the end of chain, that means we have carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. Its general formula will be RCOOH. This compound containing carbonyl group in the end of chain. That means we have aldehyde. Its general formula will be RCOH. This compound contains nitrogen with alkyl groups. We have amine. Its general formula will be R. Yes. This compound containing carboxylic group between two alkyl group. We have ester. Ester, its general formula will be. And the last one, we have carbonyl group between two alkyl group. We have ketone. Ketone, its general formula will be RCOR dash. The second question, we have some question, we will give the name of this compound. Question 2. We have some structure. One of them is this structure. B, we have this compound. The C, last one, we have this compound. Its name will be as follows. According to functional group, we can name this compound. We have ketone here. Why? Because we have carbonyl group within or between two alkyl group. We have 2-pentanone. 2-pentanone. Note the functional group, identify the functional group, and then name the compound. We have carboxylic group in the last or end of chain. We have carboxylic acid, butanoic acid. Butanoic acid, because we have 4 carbon atoms, and here we have dimethylamine. Dimethylamine. Yes. Another question we have, some question we will try to draw its structure. A, we have ethyl ethanoate. Ethyl ethanoate. You know, ethanoate, that means we have ester. Ester containing carboxylic group between two alkyl group. We have ethyl here in the right hand, and ethanoate 2 carbon atoms, 1, 2. B, we have another compound, triethylamine. Triethylamine. That means we have 3 ethyl group connected with nitrogen atom in amine. C, we have another compound, butanol. Butanol aldehyde. Butanol containing 4 carbon atoms, and the location of carbonyl group in the end of chain, or in the beginning of the chain from right hand. Question 4, how are aldehydes and ketone like? They containing same functional group. They containing group, carbonyl group, you know. But the differ in location of this group or carbonyl group. The difference between aldehyde and ketone is the location of carbonyl group. In the aldehyde, we have the carbonyl group in the end of chain, but in ketones, between two alkyl group. How do the strength of organic acids compare with the strengths of inorganic acids? They are weaker. The organic acids weaker than strong inorganic acids. Question 6, the last question we have here. Show the reaction occurs when the amines dissolve. This is the answer for this question. This is the equation which shows the reaction which occur between amine and water, when they dissolve in water, they are weak bases. This is the section review for today, and tomorrow we will try to explain or learn the section 3, organic reactions, and then we have polymer. This chapter will be ended. إن شاء الله وفيدك جلك بوج جديد بتن خطابية هجا ما محاولة كرهنديش معاودي ما أسئلة همي حل كرن همي توضيح كرن إن شاء الله إن همي سرفراز بن ناجح بن ودعاي بوا هميات كمو مين بخير.